Do you want to know how you can log into your Friday AI account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Friday AI account. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser and go to the Google search bar to search for Friday AI login. Click on this link over here which says Hey Friday AI. It will lead you to the official page of Friday, which will help you in writing, and you can enjoy your writing and it will be enhanced for sure. So go ahead and click login, which you can see on the top right hand corner. You can see you can log in with your email address, or you can log in with your Facebook or Google. So if you are comfortable with logging in with Google, just go ahead and click Google, and same goes for Facebook. If you just want to log in using your email address, go ahead and write down your email address in this box over here, and then write down your password associated with your Friday account. After that, click login. This way you can successfully log into your Friday AI account. If you want to hide and hide the password, this is the icon for you. And if you have forgotten your password, click on this link and Friday will send you an email address and you can recover your password or you can change it. I hope this video about how you can log into your Friday AI account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.